This is the Syma X500 folding drone, and you're watching Zimpaz. So first up, let's just do a really quick unboxing to show you what comes with it. Comes in a really snazzy case with the Syma logo. Quite good quality actually. Comes with a single zip. In the bag box also is a jiffy bag, which has got a few little pads on. I'm not sure what those are yet, but we'll find out. Got a few plastic packets we'll come to. So first we've got the remote control. It's quite like rubbery plastic, that's nice. This folds out, not the other way around. That's where you clip your phone in. These fold out the bottom. That's the remote control. Got the drone itself. Quite light actually. Looks a lot like the DJI Mavic family of drones, kind of similar size to the Mavic Mini. It all folds out. There you have it, power button on the top. There you go, that's what the pads are, extra pads for the bottom. On the bottom here you've got a little button you press and you can pull out the battery. There's another battery included, which is really nice. There it is, we'll get that out and fly in a sec. Also in the box, we've got another battery, like I said. We've got some cables and a screwdriver for putting it back together. This is a USB charger for the batteries, and this is a micro USB charger for the, I believe it's for, yes, for the remote control. In the final bag we have some prop guards and extra propellers. So if you're flying indoors or something, you can put one of these prop guards on. There we go. So they just clip on to the end of here to protect the propellers. Anything else in the bag? Oh yeah, we've got some instructions. Portion of battery and instructions for use. So I'll give this a read and then we'll see you in the garden. Taking off is easy. Push the left stick up to start the drone and then press the takeoff button. So that's how stable it is without touching the remote. If I move around a bit and then let go, it's doing really well. There's a little bit of wind today, so that's not helping. The drone is surprisingly easy to fly and responds to the control inputs well. As you can see, it takes good quality video which is stored on your phone when you're connected via Wi-Fi, and it's also stored on a micro SD card plugged into the drone itself. Something to consider is I couldn't find a way to record audio on the drone itself, so any footage taken by it will be silent. I found the advertised battery life about right. You should get about 25 minutes out of one. And the only problems I had were with the app disconnecting from the drone sometimes. I just had to restart it and it was fine, however it didn't seem to have any logic to it. So overall, if you're looking to get into flying drones without expending too much money, I'd say the Syma X500 is definitely a good place to start. You'll be looking at £600–700 for a DJI, so this is a really good starting point, as it's available at around £180. Do check out the links below for the latest prices though. I'll leave you now with a few clips that I've recorded on the drone. As always guys, if you have been, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to be notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.